Hello everybody, welcome back to RainBro Crafts. My name is Colton and today Zac will be showing you how we're making one of our newest products to the RainBro Craft lineup, and that is a solid dish soap bar. This bar is meant to be used just like a normal dish soap, but it actually comes with a little tin and you use it solid. You put your brush in there, scrub it up a little bit, make it frothy, and then just wash your dishes, wash your sink, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned if you want to learn how we make our solid dish soap bar. Alrighty, let's get this soap making started. So this soap is a little bit different than our normal soap, mainly because it's for dishes, not for your body. It is a similar process to our normal soap making. You basically blend up the oils and mix them in with some lye water. The only additional thing that's added that is not added in normal soap is stearic acid. Stearic acid adds hardness to your soap bar, and that's particularly helpful because this soap actually kind of sits in a little dish and remains wetter more often than like a bar of soap, because you let a bar of soap dry out between uses. That's what this stearic acid does for this soap. The formula is a really simple one. It is just our coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil, and then that stearic acid, and then it is a custom fragrance blend of some eucalyptus essential oil and also some lemongrass essential oil, and that is it. That is really as simple as it is. The thing with this is, and it's because of the stearic acid, it actually traces much quicker than what a normal batch of soap would do. So you'll see here, especially towards the end of pouring into these round molds that we have, it starts to get really thick. And the finished products, some of them have like little mounds from when we scraped out this container. These aren't gonna look necessarily as pretty as maybe some of our other soap does, but they work really good. The nice thing with this formula is that it actually doesn't really leave a residue behind. I've heard from people that use a solid dish soap bar like this that sometimes it leaves kind of a oily residue behind, and at least in my experience, I haven't run into that with this specific blend that we've done. We've been testing this off and on since January, and it's just taken till now, till August, to actually get the formula just right and also kind of have enough free time to make this and add it to our lineup. So this will be for sale September 1st, probably, maybe the middle of August. We are excited to kind of branch out into a non-Bath & Body Works line of products. Candles, I guess, kind of fit into the same realm as this, the like home goods, if you will. But this is our first kind of kitchen item specifically for the kitchen, and it's a nice fun little additional product that we get to bring to our RainBro Craft family. Out of curiosity, have you all used a solid dish soap bar before? And if so, what was your experience? And then kind of secondary to that question, what fragrances, if any, do you look for in a product like this? I know citrus-based essential oils are really good at cutting through grease, but are there any other scents or fragrances that you would want to see in this? So this soap product is almost done being made. Like I said, this is really quick. Takes like 5 minutes to whip up maybe. You do have to move pretty quickly, and if we would have made a larger batch than this, we would have kind of been getting to a point where it was getting real gloopy. So this is kind of our limit for now, at least in terms of batch size. But just like our other soap, we'll let this set for 24 hours and then it is time to unmold. So I put this in a little metal tin that you actually just leave it in, and then you use your dish brush and just get it wet and then make some suds and then just use it like you would a normal soap. And look how sudsy it is. It works really great. And like I said, it rinses clean and it doesn't leave that kind of grimy, oily residue behind, which I'm going to show you here in a minute with my finger for some reason. If you would like to support the channel, we have a subscription service and we actually have a new subscriber, Nicholas L. So welcome, Nicholas, and thank you so much. You can get soaps of the month and discount codes and other fun things, so check that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That does help the channel. Thanks. Bye.